Hello everyone, welcome to the second lesson of my Chinese course, Learn Chinese from Zero for Complete Absolute Beginners. We'll begin with simple phrases and gradually work our way up to more complex ones. We will be focusing on listening and speaking, not reading, not writing. Listening to understand, speaking to be understood. There will be Chinese pinyin here and there, and also Chinese characters, but your main goal is to practice and repeat as much as you can. You need to remember and pronounce the words correctly. First, speaking is like a muscle. You need to exercise it regularly. Second, practice the words out loud. It's important to say it out loud until you get the pronunciation right. The more you speak, even if it's just a little each day, the more comfortable you will become and the fear will start to melt away. Third, please follow me, answer my questions, and also ask me questions. I'm here. Leave me your comments. Let's go. First, we'll revise lesson 1 quickly, then we'll build on it. The word for I is 我. Repeat after me, 我. Excellent. And what is the word for want? Want? Correct. 要. When you combine the two, you get 我要. 我要. I want. Say it. 我要. Well done. And then no or don't is 不. 不. Don't want is correct. 不要. 不要. I don't want. 我不要. 我不要. That's it, just like that. So the next one that we learned is this one and that one, so that we can say, I want this one, I want that one, or I don't want this one, I don't want that one. How do you say, I don't want this one? Try it. If you forgot, this one is 这个. 这个. Remember pulling it long? 这个. 这个. And that one is 那个. 那个. So try it again. How do you say, I don't want this one? And how do you say, no, I don't want? No, 不, 我不要. No, I don't want. 不, 我不要. 不, 我不要. I don't want this. 我不要这个. 我不要这个. 我要那个. 我要那个. I don't want this one, I want that one. 我不要这个. 我要那个. Okay, keep practicing until you can speak it in your sleep. Speak it loudly and confidently. 我不要. I don't want. 我要这个. I want this one. I don't want that one. 我不要那个. So say it as you really mean it. Show it with nodding of your head or shaking your head and pointing with your fingers. That will help you remember. 我不要这个. 我要那个. Okay, revision complete. Let's go to the new exciting stuff now. Don't worry if you need to revise another time before moving on, because today's new word will build on the lesson 1 words. The first one is to study, to learn. 学 or 学习. Let's stick to 学 first. Repeat after me. So 学 So faster. 学 Listen to it, know how it sounds like, and then try to say it. 学 The second word we will learn today is Chinese language. 中文 Say it. 中文 Zhong means center, middle, and refers to the country China. 中国 Guo means country. So 中国 is China. 国 means country. Okay, we go back to 中文, very important word. 中 so yeah, 中文 wen means language, more precisely referring to the written language, but just language in general. Wen. So 2 new words, 学 中文. So putting them together, 学 learn or study, Chinese 中文. Repeat after me slowly, 3 sounds, 学中文学中文学中文. So altogether it's 学中文学中文. So now you can make up very many sentences and words. For example, I want to learn Chinese. I want, remember? 我要 to learn Chinese. 学中文. So 我要学中文. And remember the word for yes? That's correct. 是 or 是的 But let's stick to just the one. 是 So no is 不 Yes is 是 Yes, I want to learn Chinese. 是我要学中文我要学中文 So 是我要学中文 But it's okay. Speak slowly until your muscles are used to producing the sounds. 是我要学中文 Okay, let's change tact now. Oh, before we do that, let's revise. Okay, so the words for today is just 学 and then 中文学中文 No, I don't want to learn Chinese. 不我不要学中文 Yes, I want to study Chinese. 是我要学中文 If you learn it accurately, precisely in the beginning, then you have less bad habits to change in the future. The next little particle, a sound, 的 That's very important. You'll hear it all the time. It's just 的 used for ownership of things that you might own. For example, 我的 something 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 我的 something something something, whatever it is. So here we start to learn words for things. So that's to increase your vocabulary. Think about the sound with the things and then you'll remember the words. 东西 things 东西 is thing. 我的 my thing 我的东西我的东西 So 我的东西 How you say this is my thing? This is That's right. Remember that? 这个我的东西 That thing, that is my thing. 那个我的东西 So 东西 is a very common word. So remember that. 东西 Okay, I'll pause here. I've been talking too much. You say it. You repeat after me. 东西 Don't be shy. Just say it. 东西你的东西 Okay, let's now learn a few nouns, a few things. Simple words like 车 car. Everyone owns a car. Well, almost. 我的车 my car. 我的 is mine or my. Che is car. So you pull the end a bit longer, just like che. This is che, ch, ch, che. Okay, since you are studying Chinese, 你学中文. Repeat after me. You study Chinese, or you are studying Chinese. 你学中文. So you have to have a book. 我的书我的书 and then you can say Chinese book. You know how to say that. You've got the words. 我的中文书 That's it. Very easy. 我的中文书 Okay? And if you are studying and you have lots of books, what do you need? A bag. That's right. 包包我的包 My bag. My bag. Say it with me. 包 Okay, we'll finish on that word, that sound, my bag, because I want to point out this sound to you. So in English, there is no b. The sound b does not exist in English. So it does not sound like the English b, it's b. It's not p either, it's not p, it's b, b, b. P is p, p, b, b. Okay, so it's bao, not bao. Bao, so it's not pao. So you can hear the three sounds. Bao, bao, pao. So English will just have bao, bao, and pao for P, B and P. So this B is in between. It's not easy to practice, not easy to make the sound, but as long as you can hear the difference, that's a good start. 我的包, 我的包. Okay, so the three nouns that we learn today is 我的车, 我的书, 我的包. That's it. So keep practicing. 我的, 你 is you, 你的. 我的东西, 我的车, 我的书. I want, I don't want, yes, no, you, I. 我要学中文。我不要那个，我要这个。我的车，我的书，我的包。Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't worry, we'll keep revising what we have learned, and you will progress in your Chinese language learning very quickly. I promise you. Leave me comments, let me know what you think, ask me some questions, and I will answer you.